Ngithembisa abantu ukuthi video yanamhlanje will be a masterpiece and I need to deliver. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like. So here we go. South Africa remains to be the only country in the world whose kingdoms were not taken down by Western imperialism. The Zulu kingdom is still around and there are many more. Let's start with the kingdom that brings fear to the British people. You know how much they fear Shaka Zulu, because Shaka Zulu, they never defeated him. Shaka died a peaceful death. They couldn't defeat him in the battlefield. So let's start with Shaka Zulu's descendants. King Mrs. Zulu kaZwelithini is the Zulu king. He's still around. Zwelonke Sigcawu, Amaxhosa king. Buyelekhaya Dalindyebo, Amathembu king. Zanozuko Tsheluvuyo Sigcawu, Amampondo king. Thuleri Victor Thuleri, Bapedi king. Tony Mphephu Ramabolana, Bavenda king. Makhosonke Enoch Mabena, the Bandebele king. Leruo Tsekedi Molotlegi, the Botswana king. You might not be impressed with the South African kingdoms that are still around, but think about it. The Matamba kingdom is gone. The kingdom of Zimbabwe gone. Congo kingdom, the Lunda empire, Kush, Mali empire gone. All the kingdoms, even the kingdom of Benin is gone, but the South African kingdoms are still around. But it goes further than that. Let's go international. The Tasmanians in Australia have been wiped out. They're also gone. Their kingdom is no longer around. The Mayans, the Aztecs, their civilizations have been wiped out. The Almanacs also, they don't exist anymore. As you can see, this is a black person. It's an African person. Their kingdoms have been wiped out. These ones are usually found in the Amazon in South America. The Dravidians, the black people of India, these were the first people in India, but as you know, the Caucasian type of Indians have taken over the whole country, and these people are living in the lower classes of society. If you know the class system in India, you know the horrible conditions these people live under. Maybe many people will understand why South Africans have such a fighting spirit. To this day, everyone is against us. We are still fighting. No one is going to take South Africa.